Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. Today we are uh, doing present continuous tense. So today is Tuesday 18th August 2020 and our topic is present continuous tense. So what is the identification of present continuous tense? It narrates an action which is being continued or going to be continued in the near future. It uses, in this tense we will use is, are or am, and we will use the first form of verb we will add ing, okay, or you can say the fourth form of verb is added with the verb. Ing is added with the first form of verb, and is or am is will be used. Is, you know that with he, she and it we will use is, and with plural with am is you will be used only with I am, and are, we are, they are, and you are. Okay, then the rules. Positive. So what is the positive rule of to make the sentence positive? Subject, then we will choose from is, or am. We will choose is, are, and am according to the subject. If the subject is he, she or it, we will use is. If the subject is I, we will choose am, and as I told you above. And are will be, if the subject will be started with we will use are. We are, you are, and they are. Plus with the first form of verb we will add ing plus object. And what is the formula of negative? To make negative sentences, we will first of all write the subject, then we will choose from is, or am any one helping verb, and then not. After is, or am, we will, after is, are, or am, we will add not, and then with the first form of verb we will add ing and then object in the end. In interrogative, first of all, you know that in all the interrogative sentences helping verb comes first. So is, or am, from is, are, and am we will write with the beginning of the sentence, and then subject, then ing form of verb, and then object, and the end question mark. Okay, now let's see the examples of positive sentences. I, then with I we will use am. I am play. Play is the first form of verb, and with play we will add ing. Okay, with the first form of verb simply we add ing. So I am playing football, and how we will make it negative? I am not. We will only just add not in the center. Okay, after helping verb we will add not. It will become negative sentence. So I am not, with the by adding not it will become negative sentence. I am not playing football. In all the sentences, positive, negative, and interrogative, we will use the ing form of verb. Okay, with the first form we will add ing only. Okay, so the next one is am. As I told you that in interrogative we will use is, are, or am. So why we use am? Because with I we only use am. I am. Okay, not are, I, or so we cannot use anyone because am is used with I only. Am I playing football? And then question mark. Next, move to the next example. In positive, they are going to Lahore. They is plural, so with plural we use are. With they, I, we, they, and you. So with I we use am, he, she, it is, and they are, we are, and you are. Okay, so they are going to Lahore. And in negative, simply we will, after is, or am, we will add not. They are not going to Lahore. And in interrogative, as I told you, the helping verb will come first. Okay, in the sentence. So are they, because the sentence is started with they, so they are. Okay, so are they going to school? And in the end question mark. So how to translate it? Okay, student, now we are doing translation. So in the end of Urdu sentences, there comes raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain, वगैरह. So स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम ट्रांसलेशन करते हैं उर्दू से इंग्लिश में, ठीक है, तो इसमें इसकी ये पहचान होती है कि जब भी हम कोई उर्दू सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, जैसे वो किताब पढ़ रहा है, तो एंड में इस तो रहा है से हमें पता चल जाएगा कि ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस है, ठीक है। रहा है से रहा है होगा, या रही है या रहे हैं, एक्सेट्रा, ठीक है। सो okay students, now we will practice it. So as you know that as I told you previous that the what is the formula of positive. So to make positive sentence you have to write this formula, okay, in front of you, so that you can easily make sentences, okay. So first sentences मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. So as you know that first of all we will use subject. So what is the subject here? I, मैं, ओके तो मैं जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है, तो सबसे पहले हम बेटा लगाएंगे आई. सो मैं को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं आई. एंड देन व्हाट इज़ द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विद आई? एज यू नो दैट विद आई वी विल यूज़ ओनली एम, ओके. एम इज़ ओनली यूज विद आई. सो आई एम. And then after helping verb, after choosing helping verb from these, there are 3 helping verbs and we have to choose according to the subject. So am, I am, and then करना को कहते हैं do. So with the first form of verb we will add ing, do, and then ing we will add. So doing, I am doing my work. This is the object. मैं कर रहा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ, काम, my work. The next is वो कॉफ़ी पी रहा है. सो वो कॉफ़ी पी रही है. सो रही है से हमें पता चल रहा है कि दैट शी इज़ अ गर्ल, ओके. रही है से पता चल रहा है कि वो गर्ल है. सो फॉर गर्ल वी यूज़ शी, ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल यूज़ दिस सब्जेक्ट वो. सो यहाँ पे बेटा यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे शी. सो शी एंड देन